Hello, my name is Chris and this is a very simple and quick tutorial on how to create a simple pipeline shape in Blender. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we're going into this object. We're selecting the middle of the object that we want to start with by using the 3D cursor as our pivot point. After that, we're going to the mesh, simple plane, and we're just merging in edit mode everything at once. That way we can get the single vertex and extrude this simple line from it. After that, we're doing exactly the same for the second thing that we want to place the object in. Now we're just matching in the Z directions the two lines. We're joining it and filling it by using the F key. Now we can bevel it to add some curve into it. And after adding the curve, we need to go into the object data and convert our mesh into the curve. When we converted it into a curve, then we access the bevel, and in the bevel properties we can just choose the depth, and that way we control the thickness of it. Now we will add a simple subdivision modifier, and after adding a subdivision modifier we can just simply shade it smooth. Yep, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, like and subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Thank you.